dude. Yep. Oh no, still I'm fucking totally stoked on this. But hey, there's your surfboard. What? Did you see that surfboard? All right.
Can we be on the right?
All right, we gotta go save Kyle.
They're digging right now.
Here's his surfboard that he
Fell off.
Hey, your surfboard fell off. Here's your board, Kyle.
Let's go over there.
Yeah.
Find that behind him.
Hey, man.
Am I gonna get the ropes?
Hey, the ropes. Oh, man, crazy, man. Look at the ropes, man.
That's okay.
Fuck. Don't give him my hood, man. This Jeep is priceless.
Like the old days when I climbed on George's van.
Yeah. When we were younger. The plane, man, the plane. Where's the plane? There it is. Where'd it go? There it is.
Reel it in.
I'll just back up. Hold on. It's already going. Hey Kyle, I found your boogie board. Right here. I'll pick it up for you. Hey, you dropped your boogie board, Kyle. Kyle. Sorry. Never mind. You're good. I had to go third gear the other day to finish it. Kind of like second gear, left before. of my way. Hey, that's how it's done, dude. I'm telling you. Just tag the fire. Put tag on everything out here. Watch that cliff right there. Later, sucker. Well, you know, now we have to do it.
Hey, there you go, man. Let's send you this picture. I want that on the shirt.
Okay. I'm running out of gas. Cause look, there's like barely any gas in there. So, whoa! Whoa!
You're home.
Yeah. I didn't even see you. It wasn't him. Danny was in between. Oh shit.
So we found a hose
sorry.
in the middle of the river. I almost got
Someone's
squished.
got something to cut it with.
Yeah, I got something.
Here,
We're gonna
let's
siphon
stick
from one
together.
tank
We're
to another.
And look, it's even got a breather hole.
Look, breather tube. Go siphon extra fast. All right, let's find something. You got a knife. Ah, you got a knife, man.
Cut it up down here. Is there a smaller one?
That's big. That's what she said.
Yeah, it is.
Look at those
Oh,
death.
dude, it's full of dirt.
Look at those death things.
Yeah, just get a section. You don't need that much of it, dude. What do we need? Like,
Well, you need to be able to go down into your tank and up into his.
I need shoes. Kill myself.
right there behind the license plate.
Is there any thinner, smaller tubing around?
This is too big, dude. It's not gonna fit.
That's what she said.
I think we've got some good shit.
Oh yeah.
What about what about this shit?
Yeah, there's some hose on there, I bet.
There's some PEX tubing. What about PEX?
Pex is awesome.
Yeah, it doesn't matter how fast it goes, as long as it goes, right?
Hey, do you have those lockers?
No, the one.
What a fucking Larry.
Dude, Larry forgot them.
Fuck that. But I got nothing to break to it.
Bitchin'.
Yeah, it is. Super wide wing, man. His tail from the
I loved flying, dude. It was
I know, you had a pilot's
planes too, man.
license.
But I was
I
flying.
know, where'd he go?
Sat in the thing that way.
He's gone. That must be the airport.
I thought it was going
down, dude.
Nah, that was dope over there.
It was
The fire, you know, maybe it was a plane that crashed.
taking off. So when I soloed, dude.
Because you're by yourself, you have nobody there to give you
I
advice.
know. That's like You know, taxiing out and taking off was no big deal.
We got landing park right.
Here's a plane. That's dope.
Boys and our toys.
I think they'll go silent, dude.
That's what that means.
The older you get, the more. Doing touchdowns.
Something. Touch and goes.
Yeah.
Not the militaries.
Scratch and sniffs.
Scratch.
Scratch and sniff.
Just tastes like. Can I get a scratch and taste?
Scratch the tires, get a little sniff.
All right, we're about to head back up the river. I think Farmer's gonna come down.
Alright, meet us.
He's in 4 high, is why. Four high is why.
Yeah, I was still in 2. I had to get back.
Yeah. Grab that thing. And look, it's starting to rain. Clouds are getting dark. We still got an hour of going up the river bottom. It's okay! There's the plane! They're like, look at these fools stuck down in the river when it's about to rain. Yee. Look what I just got stuck in.
Said it to Chris. I'm like, oh.
That mud was like, that's got to be a 1.5 feet deep hole.
What are you waiting for?
I didn't want you having all the fun, and I haven't got stuck yet. Well, I have
You didn't
now.
want to feel left to go home.
Well, I don't think it's where we really want to go.
Water in that hole.
Hey!
Water in that hole.
I don't think we want to go that way anyways. But it does look really fun. Let's just see what's over there. Okie dokie. That's kind of a pit that she's now very stuck in.
Yeah.
Hey! I'm not going that way later! I'll catch you on the flip side!
I'm gonna hurry up and pull me out of this shit.
Oh, damn, dude.
That's a sucky one, dude. I told him to stay on the high side over here.
Oh!
Oh, fucking stinks.
Oh! That's probably just horse pee. Here, I gotta pee too. Oh! Oh! Bleh, bleh. Oh! This is awesome. Yeah, I guess we can do that since there's nothing like heavy on it. Hold on!
Hold on a second. Hold on. Hold on. Wait. It's probably bunching up on one side. Hang on. Wait. Hey, flip that thing. I might slide you back up. Hold on for a second. Hold on. Okay, let me back up. Now.
first place those guys were taking water right here. They were just pumping water out of the river right there.
I see there's a pump.
Yeah. Yep. Pulling the winch line out. Yeah. Stuck. This is the river right here. I don't know.
What's this marker for?
That's a halfway. 50 foot.
And that's 25.
That's 50 and that's 50. It's like a 100 footer. 94 or 6.
I just watched you guys drop right
Yep.
in that hole.
He's like, they're done.
Like, oh, I'm not going anywhere. I'm done.
Can't see the water. Let's see. Oh! Hey, I mean, get.
up, man?
Hey, here, I can't
Hey,
see
man,
much.
I kinda like this spot.
it's all
This is
dark.
riverfront. Look, look, I got my toes in the waters.
Oh, look at that.
Nice. Hey, can I get a steady?
Hey, there you go.
Yeah,
Here, clean your feet.
yeah.
Clean your feet, man.
Yeah, I gotta go boom boom.
Here. Okay, stop. Stop.
Try going forward.
Nighttime rescues.